Hey guys, in this video we're going to be doing a MoreLogin tutorial, how to use MoreLogin. First you want to go ahead and download and install MoreLogin, then go ahead and sign up to an account or just log in with your Google email, right? And then you need to create a profile. So come here at the top left, click on the new profile button to initiate the profile creation process. And once you're done with that, you want to go ahead and navigate to advanced settings and select the proxy settings to set up your NetNut residential proxies. So we're going to be integrating MoreLogin with NetNut. I'm going to show you that in just a little bit. So if you don't have a proxy username and password, right, you'll need to acquire them. So open up a web browser and access the NetNut customer portal using the link in the description. Okay, log in with the user credentials you obtained for a sales representative, or maybe you created that yourself. And in the portal, you want to go to the settings and click on your account, generate a new password, and then click on update. Make sure you have these credentials, save them for later use. Now comes the proxy configuration. So in the proxy type field, you want to choose either HTTP or SOC 5, depending on your preference. And what you need to do is, okay, look, for example, in this example, replace your username with your actually proxy username, right? Your actual proxy username and password with the proxy password provided. For HTTP, you want to go ahead and use the proxy server format description, right? Go ahead and use those right there. For example, here we have gw.ntnt.io with port 5959, and for SOC S5, use the proxy server format description we have provided right here. Use those. Okay, this is just an example. You can go ahead and use those as well. This is just an example. And then you just need to save your proxy settings, right? Go ahead and save that up. And this is what it should look like, right? From the browser profile screen, you want to just select start. And this action will open up a browser window with the first tab displaying your proxy's IP address, location, and your browser profile information, right? And if you want to confirm that your proxy is functioning correctly, you can visit a website like IP-API to check the details of your proxy's location and ensure smooth browsing. And it's really that easy and simple, guys. Just combine those. It's a very powerful combination for various tasks, including web scraping, e-commerce, social media management, price comparison, right? So it's really that easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided value to you. And if it did, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to Smart Solutions, and I'll see you guys in the next one.